This is Erik with E3 Innovate. I'm actually currently in Weiden in Oberpfalz in Germany, where my mother was born, visiting family, and found this renovation project and had to stop, obviously, and share a little bit. So, start by looking at the base here for the parking area is a pervious material, and then you have a charging station right here. In Europe, they actually have the charging point, but then you keep the specific cable you need in your car. It's a smart system. And then it looks like this is an existing building with a standard sort of, block and plaster, and they needed to increase the performance, so they've added a 2-inch continuous fibrous insulation board around the exterior. You can see the interlocking joints there on the corners and around the windows. They've added these super efficient windows and doors and a new roof. That roof will last at least 100 years. Did an excellent job on the flashing around the windows. Nice ventilating Velux skylights. Solar on the roof. So on the back side of this renovation project, looks like they have a very efficient mini split here, heat pump. They're now having to air condition homes in Germany because of increased temperatures. But again, you have the extension of the new windows, and they've basically furrowed out on the exterior of the old block plaster facade so that they could add continuous insulation. They're using rock wool, and then I'm sure they'll come back over that with that 2-inch continuous fiber board that we saw in the front, and then they'll go over that with a plaster final coating. But this is obviously a lot of work around the perimeter to add insulation. So they basically have expanded the house to the exterior so they could add the new windows, increase insulation value, and then inside it looks like they've gutted the interior. So it looks like a pretty extensive job. My German is not good enough to ask for permission to go inside, so I'm going to have to look from afar. But anyway, this is the idea behind the renovation work that's going to happen with the existing housing stock in the U.S.